in the bustling city of New York, to friends, Sarah Mitchell and David Chun shared a dream. Both had graduated from prestigious business schools and had spent years working in the finance industry. Sarah was a talented analyst with a knack for identifying undervalued stocks, while David was a skilled strategist with a deep understanding of market trends. Over coffee one afternoon, they discussed their frustrations with the traditional investment firms they worked for, which often prioritized short-term gains over long-term value. Inspired by their shared vision, they decided to start their own investment company, Pinnacle Investments. Their mission was clear: to create a firm that focused on sustainable, long-term growth for their clients while maintaining ethical investment practices. With a modest initial capital of $500,000 from their savings and a few close friends, they set out to make their mark in the investment world. In the early days, Sarah and David worked tirelessly to establish Pinnacle Investments. They rented a small office space in Manhattan and began building their brand. They focused on creating a strong online presence, developing a user-friendly website, and leveraging social media to connect with potential clients. They also emphasized transparency, providing detailed reports on their investment strategies and performance to differentiate themselves from competitors. They adopted a unique investment philosophy centered around environmental, social, and governance (ESG) criteria. They believed that companies committed to sustainable practices would outperform their peers in the long run. This approach resonated with a growing number of investors who were becoming increasingly conscious of their impact on the world. After several months of hard work, Pinnacle Investments secured its first major client, a mid-sized tech company looking to invest its cash reserves for growth. Sarah and David conducted thorough research and identified a promising portfolio of tech stocks that aligned with their ESG criteria. They presented their findings to the client, who was impressed by their detailed analysis and commitment to sustainable investing. The investment paid off handsomely. The tech company's portfolio had grown by 25%, and word of Pinnacle's success began to spread. More clients started to take notice, and the firm began to attract attention from both individual and institutional investors. As the client base grew, Sarah and David realized they needed to expand their team. They hired a diverse group of talented professionals who shared their vision and values. Each new hire brought unique skills and perspectives, enhancing the firm's capabilities. They created a collaborative culture that encouraged innovation and open communication. With a larger team, Pinnacle Investments was able to diversify its offerings. They launched new investment products, including mutual funds and exchange-traded funds (ETFs), focused on sustainable companies. This expansion attracted even more clients, and the firm's assets under management skyrocketed. Despite their success, Pinnacle Investments faced challenges. The financial markets were volatile, and economic downturns tested their investment strategies. During one particularly turbulent period, the firm experienced a temporary decline in performance, leading to concerns among clients. Rather than panic, Sarah and David held a series of transparent meetings with their clients, explaining their long-term investment philosophy and the importance of staying the course during market fluctuations. They reassured clients that their commitment to sustainable investing would ultimately yield positive results. Their honesty and dedication paid off. Clients appreciated the transparency and chose to remain with Pinnacle Investments, trusting in their expertise. As the market stabilized, the firm's performance rebounded, and they emerged stronger than ever. As Pinnacle Investments continued to thrive, the firm gained recognition in the industry. They received awards for their innovative investment strategies and commitment to sustainability. Sarah and David were invited to speak at conferences and share their insights on responsible investing. With their growing reputation, Pinnacle Investments attracted high-profile clients, including foundations and endowments looking to align their investments with their values. The firm's assets under management surpassed $1 billion, and they expanded their reach internationally, opening offices in London and Singapore. As Pinnacle Investments flourished, Sarah and David felt a responsibility to give back to the community. They established the Pinnacle Foundation, dedicated to supporting environmental initiatives and financial literacy programs for underserved communities. The foundation funded scholarships for students pursuing careers in finance and sustainability, empowering the next generation of leaders. Their commitment to social responsibility resonated with clients, further solidifying Pinnacle Investments' reputation as a leader in ethical investing. Years passed, and Pinnacle Investments became a household name in the investment world. Sarah and David remained committed to their original vision, continuously adapting to changing market conditions while staying true to their values. They mentored young professionals in the industry, fostering a culture of integrity and innovation. As they looked back on their journey, Sarah and David realized that their success was not just measured in financial terms, but also in the positive impact they had made on their clients, the community, and the environment. Pinnacle Investments had become a beacon of hope in the finance industry, proving that it was possible to achieve success while prioritizing ethical practices. The story of Pinnacle Investments is a testament to the power of vision, perseverance, and integrity in the world of finance. Sarah and David's journey from to ambitious friends to successful investment leaders illustrates that with the right values and commitment to excellence, it is possible to create a thriving business that makes a meaningful difference in the world. Their legacy continues to inspire others to pursue success with purpose and responsibility, proving that ethical investing is not just a trend, but a path to a better future.